Hello and welcome to this July 7th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we are featuring Vornado Realty Trust, ticker symbol VNO. This is a $12.5 billion financial company. Taking a look at the chart, you can see back in late December of 2009, Vornado moved up to about the $71.75 area, just below $72. We pulled back over the course of the next month and a half or so before moving up and taking out this $71.75 area right in here and breaking out and then moving up to the $86 level in late April. At that time, you can see as we were moving higher, continuing to put in higher highs, the moving average convergence divergence had completely slowed down, so the momentum was slowing even though prices continued to move up, and that was the initial sign of the weakness to come. We first came down on big volume, bounced off the 50-day moving average, put in a lower high, and then came back down, put in a lower low to kind of start the downtrend. After rising back up, putting in a reaction high close to 80, we once again came back down, tested this 71.75 area, so we had a couple of tests there, went back up, and it looked like we were breaking out in mid-June, only to fail once again up near that $80 level, and then back down we went. Only this time we failed to hold the 71.75, actually I'm going to say around 71.60 area on price support, breaking down with a big red candle and heavy volume. Not a good combination. The MACD is also very, very weak, suggesting that the momentum is on the side of the bears. And really there's only one thing going for the bulls at this point, and that is that we're getting close to oversold. We're already oversold on stochastics and RSI, excuse me, at 33. Also looking like it's about to move into oversold territory. But when we look at the price action and we look at areas of possible support, we really went straight up off the bottom from the low 60s. So I think eventually we're going to make our way back down there again. But as I mentioned, we are a little bit oversold. So if we get a bounce, and the bounce is on light volume, back up to about $71.50 to $72 in that area, wouldn't be a horrible time to think about the short side on Vornado. So VNO not looking particularly good here in the near term, but with some oversold conditions, we could see a little bit of a bounce to the upside, and that might be a great opportunity to think about jumping in on the short side. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.